Another one on. Another fish on. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet. I'm just fighting the current right now. A little bit bigger than the last one. Oh, it's a chub. Chub. Okay. Species number 3 for the day. These are creek chubs. And chub is a member of the minnow family. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Calm down, calm. Ah, he's got a strong little body. There you go. Member of the minnow family. This is obviously a very large minnow, but off he goes. Very nice. So the trick is to throw right into the current is where all the fish are at. That's 2 bites right in the current. So right into the rapids there. And just retrieve my my grub very slowly and let just the natural swimming action of the tail do the work. All right, that's 2 fish in about 3 minutes. Wow, that's a smelly fish. Ugh. All right, another fish on. Very next cast. I think it's another chub. Looks identical to the last one. Fighting the same way too. Yep. Bigger than the last one. I'm actually not going to handle him. We'll just use our pliers because gross. They stink. Alright, I think there's just a whole school of them sitting right on the edge of the current, right there. Oop. The nice thing about fishing in rivers and current like this is that the fish don't really get a good opportunity to investigate your bait. A lot of times they're just very aggressive hits. You really don't have to set the hook. They hook themselves because everything to them is fast flowing. It goes by really fast with the current. They don't have a chance to really sit there and think, oh, am I gonna bite it? Am I not? Should I eat it or shouldn't I? They see something that looks like food, they're gonna hit it. That's when they're in feeding mode. Obviously last week, when I was here last week, the situation wasn't really gonna be, they weren't really in feeding modes. But on days like today, where it's just a beautiful, nice day, water's normal and clear, fish are going to be opportunistic and they're going to see something coming by fast pace. They're just going to bite first, ask questions later. And as a fisherman, that makes your job a lot easier. And of course, I've spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on lures, maybe thousands of dollars on lures really, but hundreds of dollars on lures just for this particular trip. And of course, what's caught 3 out of my 4 fish? My curly tail grub. I'm going with white because I've seen some of the little minnows that are around here are silvery sides. But I was talking to a gentleman on my way down here. He was over there with his family and said, you know, seems like I catch 90% of my fish on a curly tail grub, white or chartreuse, and saltwater, freshwater, you name it. But that's my go-to. It always seems to work. It just looks like a fish swimming. And of course, I'm a big fan of this Berkeley Gulp because of its texture and the scent that it leaves. But I'm sure it would work with just regular plastic grubs. Just a good pattern. All right, fish on. I think it's a chub. Yep, another chub. Nothing to get excited about, but they're, hey, it's something pulling on the end of the line. Chub! All right, good luck. Fish on. I think it's another chub. I don't know. Nope, nope, not a chub. Rock bass. Good sized rock bass too. Okay. All right. Pretty fish. Okay, another fish on. What do you got here? Another rock bass. Okay, so that's 3 rock bass, 3 chub, 1 smallmouth. Smallmouth are obviously going to be the tougher ones to catch. They are very desirable fish to catch. But small little rock bass. Can't complain about that. Someone took a swipe at that when he was younger.